What if I told you that you could start an online business this week with almost zero money? Welcome to Dulcet Motives, where you learn business and motivation. With calm inspiration and powerful ideas, today, I'm sharing 10 AI business ideas that beginners can start right now, no experience required, no large investment needed. Just action. Let's begin. Number 1, AI content creation. Every business needs posts, blogs, emails, and ads. With tools like ChatGPT and Canva, you can create high-quality content quickly and turn it into a paid service. Simple to start, easy to scale. Number 2, AI YouTube automation. Don't want to show your face? No problem. AI tools can turn scripts into full videos. You focus on ideas, the tools handle the editing. Build once, grow over time. Number 3, social media management. Small businesses need consistency. Using AI scheduling and writing tools, you can manage accounts and charge clients monthly. Steady income, low cost. Number 4, resume and cover letter service. Many people struggle to stand out in job applications. With AI tools, you can help them create professional resume and make a real difference. Number 5, AI chatbot setup, but businesses lose customers when they reply too late. Set up no-code chatbots to automate responses and offer it as a valuable service. Number 6, thumbnail and design studio. Thumbnails drive clicks. With simple design tools, you can create bold visuals for creators and entrepreneurs. Number 7, AI voiceovers. Generate realistic voiceovers for videos, ads, and audiobooks. Your laptop becomes your studio. Number 8, translation and subtitles. Help creators reach global audiences by offering subtitle and translation services. Number 9, AI blogging and SEO. Write optimized articles that help businesses rank on search engines and attract traffic. Number 10, product description agency. E-commerce stores need compelling product descriptions. AI speeds up the writing and your strategy makes it sell. Here's the truth, AI is not here to replace you. It is here to empower you. These ideas don't require a huge budget. They require courage, consistency, and commitment. Start small. Stay focused. Improve every day. This inspired you. Like this video, subscribe to Dulcet Motives, and take your first step today. Your journey starts now.